Good evening, everybody. This is Jeremy with USA Sports Breakers. Kind of a late one, but we're going to do a double box of 2015-16 Absolute Basketball. Should be 8 hits, several other numbered cards in here. Hang on, let me just kind of tilt this camera down a little bit. I don't have all my lights on because I got people sleeping in the house, and, well, anyway, here we go. Good luck. Oh, slippery little devil. Alright, here we go. Eric Bledsoe, Andre Drummond, Jimmy Butler, Louis Dampier for the Colonels. I'll have to figure out what I'm going to do with that because there's no NBA tie. For the Cavaliers, Zdronis Ilgauskas. That's our first hit for the Cavaliers. Number 149. On-card autograph of Ilgauskas. Pack 2. There we go. This is a pretty thick one, probably a patch, hopefully. Nice stuff all around. Joe Johnson, Kyrie Irving, Kevin Garnett, Drazen Petrovic. I was just reading an article on him today. I was kind of doing a bio on him, looking him up, see how great he was. For the Lakers, Anthony Brown, triple relic, ball and jersey, number to 99, 13 of 99. Anthony Brown. I'll tell you what, Miles Turner, I've got one on eBay right now, and it's out of this set, it's already at 31 bucks, and it's the number to 99. It's really drawn a lot of interest. This one should be a patch too. That one's pretty thick, or at least this one's thicker than that other one, than that Anthony Brown. So here, Chris Bosh, retired Tracy McGrady. For the Jazz, Trey Lyles, number 299, quad relic autograph, tools of the trade rookie for the Jazz, 26 of 99. Right. Retired. Who was retired? Tracy McGrady. Greg Monroe, Tyreke Evans, John Starks, Pat Connaughton. For the Oklahoma City Thunder, number to 99, Cameron Payne, triple relic rookie. Get the focus on that a little bit. There we go. 37 of 99, Cameron Payne. All right. And the rookie for the Blazers, Pat Connaughton. All right, box 2. All right. Kemba Walker, Chandler Parsons, Nene, Justin Anderson, Mavs rookie, Rashad Vaughn, another triple relic, number to 99, Bucks. 85 of 99. Nicholas Batum, Kyle Lowry, Jonas for the Raptors. I'm going to try to pronounce that guy's name. Larry Bird, and another for the Thunder. Josh Huestis, rookie for the Thunder. Autographed rookie. Do you have the Thunder, Joey? That must be you. Yeah, I mean, I haven't heard of them either. I don't know. Well, you got 2 cards so far. All right. Ricky Rubio, Vince Carter, Kevin Love, retired Julius Erving for the Lakers. Jordan Clarkson, from 65 of 99. Jordan Clarkson for the Lakers, number to 99. Celtics have the most hits. I think they had 7,700 total hits in this product, by far the most. Celtics are pretty consistent with hitting. Rudy Gobert, Aaron Aflalo, Kyle Korver, Pistons, Richard Hamilton, and double relic 125, Justin Anderson. And that will conclude it. Okay, I don't know who's got the Lakers right offhand. We kind of just hurry up and we did the random, and then we shot right in here. So just see who's got them, and then send them a message. And if y'all can work out a deal, I'll send it to you, and instead. All right, guys, the video will be up shortly. Talk to you guys tomorrow.